Hey guys, welcome back to Sam and Baby, and I'm a little stuffed up, and I do have videos coming out. It's just the thing is that I don't know when the heck they're gonna come out because everything's on my laptop, and my laptop is like literally close to death. And honestly though, like I'm hoping to God I can get them out before my laptop dies. I know it's like a two-part from this one day. I think it was this past Saturday I did it. But like it's so long that the first part's about a half an hour long. I don't know how long the second part would be, but like it's a two-part thing and it's just so crazy. And I don't know, but like I haven't forgotten about you guys. I've actually saw that I have 1,000 subscribers now. I think it's like 1,100 or something like that. But like, so hype! I got 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for that. Um, yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's just I'm really trying my best to get this to work out and to publish these videos. So hopefully my laptop can cooperate with me and let me do it, or at least let me save the video, the edited video, and like at least get it onto my SD card, onto my camera. So like if I have to upload it elsewhere, I can do that, but then figuring out on where else to edit my videos. I don't know, it's just like trying to make this all work out, like, but like I don't even know. I'm still stunned by the fact that I have 1,000 subscribers now. So like thank you so much, guys. So yeah, so this is just a little update to let you guys know what's happening and all. By the way, I'm gonna be 12 weeks and 2 days. So like I've officially am gonna be in the second trimester, and I as well made it out of like the danger zone, the danger weeks, the danger trimester. I don't know, just I made it through like the highest points of miscarriage. And I mean, by the looks of it, it's gonna be a pregnancy, I guess. Like, I don't know what else to say to that, but like, I guess like it's gonna happen. Um, my my boobs aren't that big. It's just the way that I'm sitting, they look that big. They're not really that big, but enough talking about my boobs. Yeah. So if I have to, I definitely will upload another like update video if necessary. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know about this. Again, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Make sure that you subscribe if you want to see more. Make sure you like this video if you want to see more. Make sure that you hit the notification bell to get a notification for the next time I upload a video. And just comment down below what you think I'm having. Because my next appointment, which is going to be this upcoming Monday, I get blood tests done. I'll be able to find out if it's a girl or boy. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.